Wasabis! This is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. So for today's video, I'm so excited to share with you my review on my new Rocky Mountain diffuser. And of course, some of their oils. If this is something that you want to get to know about, please keep watching. Alright, so I got these I think 2 weeks ago. This is not a sponsored video. I actually bought everything with my own money because Rocky Mountain Oil had a sale a couple of weeks back. So I actually got to know this brand when I was in Davao. Some of my students in my workshop in Davao told me about the brand and I got curious, and when I saw that they were on sale, I got excited and so I ordered these oils. Actually, hindi ito yung dapat kong in-order. I was supposed to order the diffuser and an entire set of oils, which was like $30+ lang. Kaya lang, when I was about to order, nag-out of stock na. So, I ended up buying the diffuser itself and some of their oils. Because these are the oils that are either on sale or that piqued my interest. Okay? So let's start with the diffuser. I actually was looking for a smaller, handy, travel-size diffuser. I love my Young Living Dewdrop diffuser, don't get me wrong. I love it so much. I still use it a lot of times, especially it's displayed right now here at my new studio. So I needed a new one, a smaller one that I can bring with me when I travel. And this I got only for $21. So it's a little compact diffuser. And it's very straightforward. Nothing's inside except the diffuser itself, plus the power cord. Now, the only thing I don't like about this is that there's no power adapter included. So I tend to use my iPhone power adapter, which works well. And then the box only comes with the manual. So according to the manual, this has a, I think, 100 ml capacity, 110 ml capacity, and it has 4 modes. So the first mode is the mood light mode, wherein the lights are changing. The second will be the stationary light mode. The third will be the no lights mode, and the fourth is when you want to turn it off. It's very straightforward. There's only one button, and what I like about this is that it actually puts here that you should only put 5 drops of essential oil. So that's a pretty conservative number, to be honest. And that's a really nice and safe number to use in a 110 ml tank. At $21, I feel that it's super affordable. I did some testing last night, and I was quite impressed that with this 110 ml tank, it still has water in it. Hindi pa siya nauubos. Normally, your Young Living diffuser finishes off the water in 4 hours. This lasted me for about, I woke up at around 7 a.m. this morning and it was still running. I turned it on, I think at about 10 or 11. So, it's safe to say that it was running for about 8 hours. So, that's quite a lot. And, meron pa siyang amoy. Although it's a little too mellow down na. Pero meron pa siyang amoy. So, I can still use this later on. I love that it's super compact. And I'm so excited to travel with this. Yeah. So, I tend to use my Apple power adapter and then plug it in the outlet, power outlet. Or you can always put the USB and plug it in your laptop. Okay, so putting this aside, let us take on Rocky Mountain oils, or some of the oils that I was interested to try. These two are actually part of their bargain bin or their sale item. I got these for only $4 plus, and it smells so amazing. So first is Candy Cane. This one is the one that I diffused last night, and it smells so good. The oils in it are peppermint, orange, lavender, and vanilla. I figured I'd never had any blend that has vanilla in it so far, so I was excited to get this. And comparing this with your Plant Therapy Candy Cane. Plant Therapy's Candy Cane is more on the minty side, This one has a tinge of sweetness because it has orange and vanilla. So it's a nice morning blend when you want something to kick off the day and start you in a good mood. This is a nice blend. This one I got because I noticed that the oil composition in here is similar to Plant Therapy's Christmas Tree. So it has fir needle, frankincense, and pine. Plant Therapy's Christmas Tree has fir needle and spruce. And to be honest, they smell quite similarly. It smells like fir and pine. And I guess yung parang pine yung plant yan. That's why it's called as evergreen green. And the oils in here are actually great for your respiratory support. I think it's also kid safe. So it's a double purpose oil. When you have someone in your family that's coughing real bad, dry cough, this is a good blend. And then I got interested that Rocky Mountain Oils has this bergamot FCF. When you say bergamot FCF, it has furocumarin removed from it, or its bergaptine chemical composition is removed from it during the process. Therefore, this is a more gentle bergamot oil, and this is a whole lot less photosensitive, or this is not phototoxic, or a lot less. I can't guarantee 100% non-photosensitivity, but it's super safer to be used under the sun versus your regular bergamot. So I got interested to get this because I haven't really tried this. Most, if not all of my bergamot are all the regular ones. And to be honest, it smells quite similarly. Pareho lang yung amoy niya sa ibang bergamot. Sa Young Living bergamot ko, sa Plant Therapy bergamot, it smells the same. So I'm excited to use this. If you use a lot of bergamot in your skincare products, bergamot is also great for your skin, for your acne. You should pick this up. It's a good one. And finally, I got their True Blue blend. I figured I wanted to get their True Blue oil, but I have so many pain-relieving oils from across the brands. You guys know how much I love Young Living Panuay. I also have Young Living Deep Relief. I also have doTERRA's True Blue. So I also have doTERRA's Deep Blue. So I wanted to try Rocky Mountain's True Blue, which is like a dupe of doTERRA's Deep Blue. And when you open it, it has that same ingredient. So the ingredients list are wintergreen, peppermint, helichrysum, blue tansy, spruce, and jojoba oil. And I think blue tansy, it smells similar like doTERRA's. Although this is a little more minty since it has wintergreen. So this is like a fusion of Young Living and doTERRA's pain relieving oil. Because Young Living's Panuay uses majority of those minty pain relieving oils like peppermint and wintergreen, while this has the blue tansy, which doTERRA's Deep Blue has. See, it has a little blue tinge on its cap. And I've tried using this, and it works okay, although I feel that doTERRA's Deep Blue works faster. So if you are on a budget, because the price is quite wide apart, you can try this. It's a good basic pain relieving oil, and this is only like $16. Now it's time for the giveaway. I actually bought 2 extra oils because I wanted to share this with you as my subscriber. If you have been a part of the Central Oil Philippines Facebook group, which I am also a part of and I constantly put my videos up there, you guys may have seen that I posted a preemptive giveaway announcement there a couple of days back. So, as my giveaway for this video, I wanted to share with you either of these oils. You can choose whichever you want. One winner can get any of these oils. So you just have to like this video, comment down below within 12 hours of me uploading this video, and then comment down below anything about this video. Just let me know if you've liked this video, or if you've tried Rocky Mountain oils, or what makes you want to try Rocky Mountain oils. So it's easy. You just have to be a subscriber of my channel, like this video, and put a comment down below in this video. And after that, I will choose after 12 hours the winner. I will contact you through YouTube, and you get to pick either you want Evergreen Green or you want Candy Cane, and it's yours. Okay, I'll put the full mechanics of the giveaway down at the description box. And I'm also planning to have my next IG live session. So if you guys have any suggestions on which topic I should talk about, kasi yung isang oil naman ipapamigay ko sa IG live. So if you didn't get the chance to win during this video giveaway, you still have another chance on my IG live. So that's gonna take a while dahil pagpaplanuhin pa natin kung ano yung topic doon. And you can join my IG live and you can get to win another Rocky Mountain oil. Okay? So I hope you've enjoyed this mini review. If you are interested to try Rocky Mountain oil, go ahead. I think it's a good brand simply because they also have their GCMS tests uploaded on their website. I've tried checking it and it's really impressive, and the price is actually reasonable. As regards to the effectivity, I can't really comment on that as of now because I've only gotten this a couple of days back, but I really enjoyed this blend last night. It's so nice and sweet and uplifting. And ito, tatry ko ba kapag meron nagkaubo sa bahay. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall if you've enjoyed it so much. And I'll see you in my next oily video. Bye!